This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monteith. Rehab Alert. Huge POTENIAL. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2156 square foot home has a new roof, 24x13 screen porch, fenced yard, 2-car garage with a workshop and is ready for updating. No HOA in quiet Edgewater Beach. All closets are completely cedar lined. Each bedroom has individual thermostats for temperature control. A sea handler is 5 years young. Terazzo floors are under carpet. Large Florida room and large living room. Well for sprinkler system. Garage door has automatic opener. Hurricaine shutter for front picture window. Great home for the handyman to buy and live in or to update and flip. For more information, review the details below.